Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is benign lesions of the uterus. In this lecture we will talk about the fibroids, examination and management of fibroids, surgical management of fibroid, what are polyps and different types of uterine polyps. So in the first section, we will talk about fibroids and what's the incidence and types of fibroids, what's histology and secondary changes of the fibroids. Then in the second section, we will talk about examination and management of fibroids. What are the complications, clinical features of fibroid? What's the examinations done for the diagnosis of fibroid and how they are managed? Then what's the surgical management of fibroid uterus? That will be talked in the third section of the lecture. And in this we will talk about myomectomy, embolotherapy, and cervical fibroids. In the fourth section we will talk about polyps. What are the different types of polyps? What's the pathology? What are the clinical features of the polyps and how they are investigated and managed? And the last and final section of our lecture, we will talk about fibroid polyps, cervical fibroid polyps, and placental polyps. So all these things will be talked about in this lecture, benign lesion of the uterus. So hopefully you are interested to learn more about this lecture topic. So keep watching sqadia.com.